It's a new setting in here. It's awesome. So I was supposed to record the whole renovation of the garage. This garage looks totally different. This was a couple shelves. The tool bench was right there. And everything was like, oh, it's so bright in here too now. Look at that. So this is the back half of the garage. Like I said, we used to have the bench right there, some shelves right there. The lawnmower used to be right here. That shelf used to be on this wall. I'll get to this side in a second. The concrete used to be red. The wood used to be red. The top half or top quarter of the garage used to be red. That used to be red. And the white was like off white. That door was brown. I mean, this has changed. So, and then this side of the garage is like empty. And that was the whole plan. Cabinets down at the bottom. That took up a lot of space. Over there wasn't really too occupied, but there was some stuff over there, but it's all cleaned up. I can utilize those shelves now. I tried to de-spider this place as much as I can or could, so I've done a white all the way around, and then with the wood I've just painted it a gray. One big thing that we're gonna do is, this is white, the concrete's white for now, and obviously there's overspill on the floor. We're gonna get the floor epoxied in the spring. It's too cold right now to epoxy, so I'm gonna epoxy the floor like an off-white with black speckles, and then it will take care of the concrete, and then that will finish it, because the floors still look like doo-doo. When spring rolls around, this place is gonna look finished, and then we can do the final touches around here. The main focus of today is to get the cars out again. I've been gone since I moved back. The World Cup's been on, and obviously this whole reno has been going on for like 2 weeks now at least. So it's just been a bit of a clutter. But today, again, like I said, we're here to get the cars out again. So the biggest thing about having the garage redone was to have a car in here and to be able to work on that car. Now the car, there's always going to be a car parked in here probably, which is going to be the Miata because it's the smallest, and it's soft top and it rains here a lot. The Mazda 3 is the first one in the back, and then the Miata is there in the back. So we're going to fiddle around with the Mazda 3 first, get that from out back. But first I need to figure out some of this. For example, I still got some stuff left over. This I pretty much have to deal with. So without further ado, it's gonna be crazy, man. I don't think this garage has ever housed a car before. There she is. Looking good. I am so excited to work on this thing again. Look at that. So nice. I'm gonna fire up this turd. You guys ready for that sweet, sweet cold start? Look at this baby, eh? Ah, every time I pull it out, never get over some of these angles, but I definitely need to fix. This is okay, but this is rough. I'm gonna hook a battery tender up to the Miata's battery because it's been sitting here since I think August. And then we're gonna go take the 3 for a spin and then try and fit it in the garage. I don't think I've ever been so excited to unwrap a car before. Look at this thing. Just sitting in back here minding its own business. Let's try this and see how this goes. It's not horrible. So this is like the first time I've actually been able to drive a full-size car into this garage. Oh, it looks so good in there though. It can definitely come back a smidge. And I think if it came back a lot, then it'd give me a lot more room up front. And especially on this side where we have the toolboxes, it's not horrible, but again, I could use that extra little space. But I think this is, I mean, I'm pleased with how much space is in here. And I can only imagine how much space is gonna be in here with the Miata. So let's go see if we can fire up the Miata. For some reason, it's out of gas. It's not fun. I almost had it, then I let go. Well, after a lot of cranks, still got a little raz. Oh yeah. A lot better. The length of the Miata isn't too far off, but definitely the width is a lot more room on the side. So I think this car is definitely the car for this garage. Now trying to fit the lawnmower in here is going to be another mission with the lawnmower. Well, definitely worked out. I could definitely do a motor swap in here. Like motor on a stand, front of the car all the way back, 100%. Is it going to happen? Probably not. Well, with having all this space in here now, I'm pretty stoked to get started on the projects, and having this garage done means I can actually get started on the cars. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. Let me know what you think about the garage setup. We got some projects I'm gonna get started on in the next few days, so getting back to normal here, and I'm super stoked for car season. I want to dial in the camber on the Mazda 3 and fit those wheels so bad. So that'll definitely be coming up. Anyways guys, thank you so much. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.